Welcome to Symtext Liquid Textbooks. The Symtext Liquid Textbook Builder has many unique features that will allow you to effectively share information with learners. This demonstration will include instruction on how to log in to Symtext Liquid Textbook Builder, fill your library with items from the database, upload your own materials, create your liquid textbook, and annotate your liquid textbook. Let's get started. To log in, go to lt.symtext.com, enter your login and password, and click Login. This is the Liquid Textbook Builder and your My Courses homepage. Here you will be greeted with some instructions on how to get started, as well as important information about Symtext support. As you begin using the Liquid Textbook Builder, the liquid textbooks you create will appear on your My Courses homepage. To begin creating liquid textbooks, you must first add content to your library. The My Library feature is located in the right corner of the main navigation bar. Your library is a place where you can collect and manage the items you may choose to include in your liquid textbooks. In your library, items are identified by medium as indicated by the icons to the left of the titles. Media may include chapters from books, newspaper or journal articles, movies, audio recordings such as podcasts, photographs, presentations, or other special media. Items in your library are organized by title, with the most recent addition to your library at the top of the page. The digital and print pricing for each item is identified under the title of the item. These prices allow you to be aware of the cost of your liquid textbook as you build it. The price for digital and print does not include printing costs such as paper and ink. Liquid textbooks may be printed using a print-on-demand solution with minimal additional costs. There are three methods for adding materials to your library. The first is to submit an outline detailing the content you desire for your course. The Symtext team will work to gain the rights and content from publishers on your behalf and add the materials to your library. Symtext currently works with a growing list of over 70 publishers to source content. The second method is to select content from the Symtext database. We work with many contributing publishers and are constantly adding new items. The third option is to upload your own materials. You may upload any personal materials or items that you maintain copyright for. You may choose any of these methods or a combination of all three to ensure that you have exactly the right content for your course. To search for an item in the database, go to Search Database in the main navigation bar. Here you may browse items by title or search for items by title using the search bar. To view all the items in the database, go to the search bar and hit Enter. If you'd like to add an item to your library, click the Add Item button located to the right of the title. The Add My Material feature is coming soon and will ask you to fill out relevant metadata before uploading your file. Once you have returned to your library, you may remove any item by clicking the Remove Item button located to the right of the title. You may also make notes about any item in your library. These notes are private and will not be read by learners. You can use the Add a Note feature to keep track of the items in your library or to make comments about the items as you view them. These notes may be helpful reminders when you start assembling your liquid textbook. To add a note, click Add Note located in the bottom right of the item. Write your personal note in the text box and click Save Note. Items with notes are identified with a dog-eared corner in the bottom right of the item. Now that we have our library filled with items, we are ready to create a liquid textbook. To get started, click Create a New Liquid Textbook in the main navigation bar. There are three steps to creating a liquid textbook: name your textbook, assemble materials, and publish. In step 1, you will provide a name for your liquid textbook and the titles of your sessions. Sessions can be weeks, topics, or any other way you wish to categorize the items in your liquid textbook. Fill in the required information and click Next Step. In step 2, you will select the items from your library that you wish to include in your liquid textbook. You will be able to view the items in your library along the left-hand side of the screen. On the right, you can add the items from your library to your liquid textbook. To add an item to a session, first select the session, and then click Add on the bottom right-hand corner of the item. You may add as many items as you wish, and you can order your items using the up and down buttons on the bottom right-hand corner of the item. If you wish to remove an item, you can use the small X in the top right-hand corner. You can see the price of your Liquid textbook under the Liquid textbook's title. This price will adjust as you add and remove items. Once you are satisfied with the content and order of your items, click Save and Next. In step 3, you will see the layout of your completed Liquid textbook. Here you may do a final edit and remove any items or sessions you do not want included. To remove an item, click the box next to the item and click Delete Selected. Here you also have a few more options. You may add tags or a description to the Liquid textbook. You may choose to share your Liquid textbook outline with other educators, keep your work private to come back to it later, or publish to the class. Once published, you may still edit your Liquid textbook using the Edit an Existing Liquid Textbook feature. Clicking Publish does not automatically make the Liquid textbook available to learners. Symtext will work with you to set up authentication for learners or integrate your Liquid textbook with an LMS. Once you are satisfied with your outline, click Publish. Now that you've created your Liquid textbook, you can further personalize the content by annotating and commenting on items. To enter a Liquid textbook, click the Liquid textbook's title. You are now in the Liquid textbook viewer. This is what learners will see when they access their Liquid textbook. To open an item, click on its title. Along the right, you will see the interactive features of the Liquid textbook, which you can use to search for a word or phrase, keep personal notes, or post comments that will be visible to learners. You can also use the Viewer toolbar to adjust the size of text, open the item in a new window, print the item using your desktop printer, or scroll through pages. Making notes and posting comments is simple. To post a comment, click Annotations and Comments. Type your comment in the text box and click Post. You may also choose to highlight a portion of text for your comment. To do that, click on the highlighting icon. Highlight the text and write your note. To view all comments and annotations, return to the Liquid textbook outline or to your My Courses homepage. Your Liquid textbook is now a platform for interaction and engagement where you and your learners can discuss and debate, form multifaceted viewpoints and unique perspectives, and enhance learning and understanding. Your Liquid textbooks may be purchased by students using a secure e-commerce system, or we can work with you and your institution on other payment methods such as central billing. The Symtext staff will work hard to ensure that using Symtext Liquid textbooks is simple and pain-free. We can help you set up your Liquid textbook and manage billing and access arrangements on your behalf. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you would like to arrange a more in-depth demonstration with a member of the Symtext staff, please contact Kathleen at symtext.com. We would be happy to walk you through the product and answer any questions you might have.